So this video is going to show you how to paint a landscape. Please watch to the end. Welcome back to Legendary Art channel.
In this painting, the artist is creating a peaceful winter sunset scene. A small cabin by the stream, covered in snow, with the last light of the day glowing warmly through the windows. The soft oranges and cool blues blend beautifully to capture that calm evening mood. Using thick impasto strokes, he builds texture on the trees, bridge, and snow to make the landscape feel alive and full of atmosphere. Please watch the full video to see the process.
So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to follow Legendary Art channel for more tutorials like this or short art videos. If you have any question regarding the artwork, please comment in the comment section.